You are going to love the 2014 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, cruise control, trip odometer, trip computer, clock, child safety locks, power windows, compass. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.